Hi, I'm Tom DeBenedetto from Thomas DeBenedetto and Associates, workers' compensation attorneys in San Diego, California since 1992. I want to talk to you a little bit about one of the benefits that you can receive as an injured worker. The technical term is temporary disability. In reality, it is lost wages. If you are injured in the job, there are multiple possibilities regarding your return to work. All of these possibilities will be discussed by your treating physician, who is incredibly important in a workers' compensation claim. One of the first things the treating physician will do is fill out a form. It's called a PR2. And in that form, the treating physician will discuss whether or not you can return to work full duty, whether or not you can return to work with restrictions, or whether or not you can return to work at all. Okay? If the doctor says that you can return to work full duty, you are expected to return to full work and you receive your full pay. If the doctor indicates that you are temporarily totally disabled, with the key word being totally, then you remain off work, and the insurance carrier must pay you 2/3 of your gross pay. So if you make $1,000 a week gross, you will receive $666.66 non-taxable. The third possibility, which arises quite often, is where the treating doctor says that you can return to work, but you are given certain work restrictions. It is your job as the injured worker to provide that PR2 form to your employer, and that employer then has an obligation to tell you whether or not they have modified or light duty available for you. If they have modified or light duty available within the work restrictions provided by your treating doctor, then you are required to return to work and you will be paid your regular salary. If the employer cannot accommodate you and they do not have modified or light duty available, then you revert back to temporarily totally disabled status and you will be paid 2/3 of your gross pay biweekly.